Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to unsubscribe from a thread here in Basecamp. All right. Few notes: subscribing or unsubscribing is done on a message by message basis. There isn't a way to unsubscribe from all future messages in a project automatically. And even if you are unsubscribed, you will still receive notifications if someone directly mentions you or pings you in the message. All right. So to unsubscribe, click on your project. Then maybe it is from the message board. Okay. Let's say from this announcement right here. I'm going to click on it. And as you can see here at the very bottom, it says you're subscribed. You'll get a notification when someone comments on this. Well, you can go ahead and easily click on unsubscribe me. And as you can see here, as fast as that, you are now unsubscribed. All right. When we go ahead over to chat right here, as you can see here where it says notifying, click on it. And now it will say, okay, you won't be notified anymore. That is how you unsubscribe from a thread here in Basecamp. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.